Hello everyone. Today's topic mutual funds in financial services. Mutual funds are financial intermediaries that collect the saving of investors and invest them in a well diversified portfolio of securities. Savings mobilized from the investor are used to buy shares, long term debt, and short term debt instrument of firms and governments. By diversifying investment, mutual funds reduce risk and seek to provide reasonable return to investors. Definition: a mutual fund is a financial service organization that receives money from shareholders, invests it, earns return on it, attempts to make it grow, and agrees to pay the shareholder on demand for the current value of his investment. Features of mutual fund: mutual fund collect funds from both small and large investors by selling units. Mutual fund are an ideal investment opportunity to investor. Investors are able to benefit from the professional and expert management of their funds. Investors can get tax benefit by investing in mutual fund. Mutual fund invests the savings collected in a wide portfolio of securities. An investor can start investing in mutual fund with a small amount of money. Mutual fund contribute to economic development by channelizing saving into investment in financial securities. Now, objectives of mutual funds: to mobilize savings and channelize them into investment, to provide a safe and convenient method for some small investor to invest in the money market and capital market, to provide an opportunity to investor to earn a fair return on their investment, to enable investors create wealth by investing in the capital market, to facilitate the orderly development of the capital market, to reduce risk on investment and provide optimal return through professional management. Next we shall see SEBI regulations relating to mutual fund. The offer document should contain adequate information which will help investors to take the right investment decision. The AMC should issue unit certificate to all those who have been allotted units within a period of 6 weeks from the closure of the subscription list. The annual accounts of mutual fund should be audited by an auditor who should not be associated with the auditor of the AMC. Every AMC must maintain in respect of every scheme proper books of account and document in order to give a true and fair view of the affairs of the fund. If the certificate of approval is suspended or cancelled, the trustee and AMC must cease to carry on any activity. Mutual fund scheme shall not invest more than 10% of its NAV in unrated debt instrument issued by a single issuer. I hope you all understand the topics covered today. We shall see next topic in the next video. Thank you.